We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone with a black screen but still works. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem. Perhaps your phone has gone black, but you still can know it's working. Perhaps you can hear sound from it, or there's another reason why. So this is commonly just a software problem. And so what we're going to do is perform a forced restart. To do that, we're going to do a button combination. Don't worry, you don't need to go and use the screen. We're going to press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now you may notice nothing goes and changes, but just keep that side button held down. You can go and see I am. And hopefully within around sort of 20 seconds, we should go and see something. As you can see, when you see the Apple icon, you can then go and release. If nothing happens and you've still been holding it after, let's say 30 seconds, what you want to try doing is at least charging it for a few minutes and repeating those same steps.